Good morning, students. For the practice of the major examination, just you look, I am going to project the question set A for analytic function. So let us look the problems. If W is equal to Fz is analytic, then prove that dw by dz is equal to del W by del x is equal to minus del W over del y, where z is given, that is x plus iota y. And also prove that the second derivative of W means del square W by del z bar is equal to 0. Here z bar is the complex conjugate of z. So how you prove? It is required ki how to write. It is more necessary for practice of the major examination. So you have to follow ki how you should write. It is given that first of all you have to write what is given in the problem. It is given that W is equal to Fz is analytic. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that W is equal to u plus iota v. This is the function of x and y. U is function of x and y. V is also function of x and y. Then you can find out the derivative, partial derivative. Means and since it is already given that this is analytic, then CR equation is satisfied. It means ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. It is already under the given condition. Okay, so now you can differentiate. If this dw by dz, you may write like this f as z. Why? Because here it is assumed that w is equal to fz. If w is equal to fz, then dw by dz is f dash z. And it may be written as ux plus iota vx here. And this, what is the meaning of this? Just to put the value, the del over del x of u plus iota v. And this is nothing but u plus iota v is w. It means del w by del x. Similarly, dw by dz, you can write f dash z also. And ux plus iota v is the same step. But since just you use this, so by using this, just you use this, ux is dy and ui is minus vx, you will get minus iota del over del y outside, and then you can write u plus iota v, which is equal to minus iota del w by del y. It means dw by dz is equal to del w over del x is equal to minus del w over del y. Since z is x plus iota y, then of course its conjugate will be x minus iota y. Then just to look, z plus z bar is 2x, that is x is equal to z plus z bar by 2, and this is very easily you can look, z minus z bar is 2 iota y, means y is equal to z minus z bar by 2 iota, and del x by del z is half, and here you will get del y over del z is minus 1 over 2 iota. So now u and v, both are the function of x and y, may be considered as a function of z and z bar. So you may write del w by del z as this. Just to go through and then just make the simplify, putting the value from here, then you can write like this. And after this simplifying, you will get here the half of by using those equations, you will get 0. So what is the meaning of this? Means del w over del z bar is 0. It means their second derivative means del w over del z bar is 0. In this way, you have already established the result. Then what is the conclusion from here? If this del w over del z is 0, it means what? It means w is independent of z bar. This is the meaning. And del w over del z, what is the second meaning? Del f over del z bar is 0 is called the complex form of the CR equation of fz. So this is also called complex form. We have proved here in this problem that every analytic function fz is independent of z bar. So here it is if it is asked, then the same problem you have to do. If it is asked, you have to establish this here. So, okay. Similarly, a second kind of a problem, you find the unknown k such that the function fz is equal to r square cosine 2 theta plus iota r square sine k theta. K is here, is analytic. Here also it is given if the function is analytic. Then what is the meaning? Fz is already it is given. We have to write this is analytic function in the domain. It means u plus iota v is, you have to write like this, and what is u? U is this and v is this. So you can write separately. Then del u over del r, differentiation with respect to r and differentiation with respect to theta. So here 2r cosine theta, with respect to theta you will get minus 2r square sine 2 theta. Similarly here del v over del r 2r sine k theta, and del v over del theta kr square cosine k theta. Now since fz is analytic, then you can write the polar form of this. Del u over del r is 1 over r, del v over del theta. This would be satisfied. Now putting the value, you will get this, and from here you will get del u over del theta minus r del v over del r, and this implies from here you can check the minus 2 r square sin 2 theta is minus 2 r square sin k theta, and in this way r square sin 2 theta is r square. This in this k is 2. So already after putting this value, you will get the what should be the value of k, and the value of k is 2. Okay, in this way you have already find out the value of k. So now these are the questions for practice only in this domain. You show that fz is equal to e power x cosine y plus iota sin y is analytic in the finite plane. Find its derivative. This is one of the problem. Second problem, to verify whether w is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy plus iota x square minus y square plus 2xy is an analytic function of z is equal to x plus iota y. Third problem in this sense is find the unknown k such that fz is equal to half log of x square plus y square plus iota tan inverse kx. Here is k, kx y y be an analytic function. So it is suggested to the students, please do the practice for the major, and in the next video I will cover the further syllabus in this contest. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay safe.